welcome to my channel. My name is Smiti and in today's video I'll be unboxing the Glamego April box. So stay tuned for that, and if you like my video don't forget to hit the like button, and if you're new to my channel and want to see more of such videos, do hit the red subscribe button and also that little bell icon so that you will be notified each time I upload a video. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So this is how the outer packaging looks like, and let me tell you, Glamego is a monthly subscription box that costs around $3.99, which includes the shipping, so that's super affordable. And each month you get around 4 to 5 products, which include skincare products, hair care products, beauty products, makeup products, fragrances. You can get anything in that range. So this month, April, the theme for Glamego is summers, and let me show you the box. Oh my god, it absolutely goes with the theme. I loved it when I received it. Oh my god, it looks so pretty. It reminded me of my childhood days, and the box, it will look so beautiful sitting on the vanity. I can put my jewelry, I can put in some makeup stuff if I want. So this is how the box looks like. It has a magnetic packaging in the front. So when I open it, okay, so here they have a quotation which says, "Hot summer not for sassy me, cheeky me, freezy me." That's interesting. And you get this card which says summer skincare protection with SPF and sun protection. Now this card has all the details and the prices of all the individual products. Inside the box, the first thing that I see is a natural bath and body clarifying face mask. Now let me tell you, I just received the box and I have just opened it. I haven't tried the products. Some of the brands I have tried, but not these specific products. So if you want to know the actual or the product review, what I thought about the products after using them, I'll be posting a complete review of all the products from this box on my blog, so don't forget to check that. Okay, so coming back to the first product that I see this natural bath and body clarifying face mask with sea clay. Now this is from Mother Nature's gift of love. When I see the ingredients, I see kaolin, purified water, green clay and a lot of other things, mostly clay. So I guess this product is super apt if you want to cleanse your face, and if you're feeling very sweaty and you have gone out, and because of the sweat you tend to attract, and those dust and dirt particles stick on your face and your body, and you want to just cleanse your face thoroughly, this mask is definitely going to help you with that. The next product that I see is this Vedic Line Gold Facial, which gives luster and glow to the skin. It is enriched with benefits of gold and saffron, and it is suitable for all skin types. Now when I see the ingredient list, it has primarily saffron, almond oil, jojoba oil and vitamin E. So definitely it's going to render a bit of fairness, which is something that I don't believe in, but still, and it will give you UV protection, which is a yay for the summer seasons. It will make your skin healthier, regenerate your skin and reverse the premature skin aging. When I open it, okay, how many? I see around 6 steps or 6 sachets, as I can say. So there is a gold Ojus cleanser with saffron, then there is a gold Ojus scrub, there is a cream, there is a massage gel, a face pack and a moisturizer serum. Okay, so all these products are suitable for all skin types. That is what they claim. I will definitely try this facial kit and tell you about what I felt about the different products. The next product that I see is a NELF Aqualight Fairness Compact Powder with UV and SPF 18. Okay, I'm excited for this. Whenever it's summers, I usually opt for makeup products or beauty products which have SPF. Now I am in the shade 02, which is medium. Okay, so this is how the product looks like. I am not a very big fan of the packaging because it doesn't seem very sturdy, but when I see the product, okay, it has a small mirror, it has the same like spongy applicator that you get with all the compact powders. Okay, let's see how the compact looks like. It looks like a decent compact, and yeah, the pigmentation is also really good. so it will give you a bit of coverage if you're looking for that. And next product that I see is from Tijori Wild Turmeric Anti-Tan Treatment. This is a 50-gram pack. It is in a powder form, which says you have to mix it with water or rose water and apply on your skin. Now the ingredients, oh my god, they really made me crazy and I want to try this product. It has white turmeric root, it has natural white clay, it has bentonite clay, fuller earth, multani mitti. Your dadi and your mom would have definitely told you. Essential oils. Okay, so this product has all the ingredients that I have heard from my mother and my grandma when it comes to having a healthy skin. Now, because there is a lot of clay in this product, I would not recommend this to people who have dry skin. So if you have combination to oily skin, definitely you should try this. It says the perfect natural sun defense using age-old formulation combining with raw turmeric and natural essential oils. I'll definitely give this a try because it feels like a herbal product. And the last product that I see in the box is Island Kiss Lip Smacking Lip Moisturizer. Now lip skin is very thin and it needs more sun protection than the rest of your skin because it is devoid of melanin. So lip moisturizer is something, and I am a very big fan of lip balm. No matter what season it is, I have to have a lip balm. And this lip balm, as mentioned in the card, it says that this product has been selected for Eminent Vogue Beauty Awards 2018. Now that's a big thing. I have a lot of expectation from this product, and it is a bunny tint, bunny pink tint. That is what it mentions. I love the packaging. I mean, it has a very funky kind of packaging. These women, they usually like those Latin American women. So this is how the packaging looks like. It is super apt for the summer seasons. It looks so funky, so summery, and okay, they have SPF 15 in it as well. So it's a lip moisturizer, it's a lip balm, it will give you some tint, and it has SPF. Absolutely a one package for the complete summer season. The smell is actually like strawberry. That is something I love. And I'll try the lip balm and I'll show you. The runny texture, it's more like a gloss. It will not give you a lot of tint, let me be very frank, but yes, it gives a hint of light pink color, and it will stay for a long time because it's not very runny. It is more like a balm, kind of a thick balm kind of texture. So I am super excited to try this. So thank you so much for watching my video. If you like the video, don't forget to hit the like button, share the video with your friends, and comment down below if you give the Glamego April box a try. I would love to know your favorite product from the box. So with that, spread the smiles.